हेलो एवरीवन, स्कोर मोड चैनल पर आप सभी का वेलकम। रिस्पेक्टेड गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर, प्रिंसिपल, टीचर्स एंड माय फेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। Today we are gathered here to celebrate freedom, equality and democracy. Happy Republic Day! Since 1950, we are celebrating 26th January as a Republic Day because on this day our constitution was adopted. Our constitution is like a rule book for India. It ensures everything from the rights of citizens to the president's power. It gives us fundamental rights like justice, liberty and fraternity. India got its independence on 15th August 1947 and country did not have its own rule book. Instead, our country was ruled by British law. However, a committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar submitted a draft of the Indian Constitution which was adopted on 26th November 1949. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar is known as Father of Indian Constitution. On 26th January 1950, Constitution of India was officially came into effect. On the same day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad became first President of India and Indian Assembly became the Parliament of India. The flag hoisting ceremony takes place mostly at 8 a.m. which is followed by a Republic Day speech by President of India. As a tribute to India on Republic Day, ceremonial parade takes place from India Gate to Rajpath. Republic Day is celebrated in every school, college and office with great enthusiasm. In schools, various competitions are held which include dancing, singing and Republic Day speech. Let's cherish our republican and democratic values by working together for progress and prosperity. Now I am going to end my speech with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's words. Constitution is not mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life and its spirit is always the spirit of age. Wish you all Happy Republic Day. Thank you. If this speech is helpful for you, then like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.